All right, I got 6 feet of the fiberglass from down here at the bottom all the way up to that blue tape right there. So now I'm going to go to the back. I'm going to do the back next because the front and the back are the hardest parts because of the angle. It's going to be hard for you to see too. But I'm going to put you right here and we'll just see how it goes. So I've got tape. You know, I got tape right here. It shows me 59 inches, so I'm going to start from there and go down. I've already mixed 16 pumps of epoxy, which is almost a full solo cup. Everybody knows a solo cup. Everybody's familiar with that. And I want to put a board under my epoxy so it won't all be in the same end. Because if you can keep your epoxy spread out a little bit, you have a little longer drying time. And every time I get a roller full, I go ahead and stir it. Got the air conditioner blasting. Today's a nice day. It's really warm. It's 70 degrees, but it's very humid. I keep hitting my tail lights every time I'm back here putting something on. I hit them again with something else, so they should never leak. That's going to be my only weak spot on the trailer. And they all have a weak spot for water. If you prep for it, it shouldn't be that big a deal. Now my bodywork's not all perfect and finished yet. You should be able to see the lumps in it once I get my this coat of epoxy on there. You should be able to see all the parts I haven't gotten to yet. So hopefully my fiberglass will bridge some of it. But we'll see. And then I won't have as much bearing work to do whenever I get ready to start prepping for paint. Go. You gotta move fast because when you got epoxy sitting in a big puddle, it will cure up on you. I can usually do about 1 solo cup full before it starts even getting close to gelling. I should get me a bigger paint pan, that way it can. You know what would be really the best is a big old cookie sheet because it all stay flat and keep it all thin. You know, thin as in the shallow in the pan. That way it just keeps it from curing on you. Prolong the pot life. Everybody wants a long pot life. Let's grab some. Oops, you forgot to say go ahead. Let's go ahead and grab some fiberglass mat. We're going to go ahead and do that. And forgot to say hey guys. Hope it doesn't fall. If it does, I'll have to pick it up. And get the dirt off of it. Oops. Oh, we need to come back this way a little bit. So they cut it pretty close since this is almost 7 feet wide. I don't want to waste any material, fabric or resin. Let's get a little bit of resin going here. Probably waited a little bit longer than what I should. It'll soak. It'll soak in there. I like to use a roller because it helps me keep the bubbles out. And usually for a piece that's 7 feet long and 60 inches wide, takes about a cup of 1.5 solo cups. Keep rolling the bubbles out. I'm moving fast because I just don't know how long I can, take doing this, because the last thing I want to do is get to a point where it cures up on me and then this is what I got. I got to salvage some material, and I don't want to have to salvage any material. I'll be grinding off a bunch of fiberglass mat that I didn't do a very good job on. If you get those bubbles, and I'm no expert on fiberglass, but I know what has worked for me. Put some resin on it, come back to it. If it looks white, it's not right. Because you gotta put some resin on it. See, like that bubble right there? It appears I'm using more resin than I did on the front. That's alright. on this one I have a tail light for the license plate, a wire for the license plate tail light. Let's cut that a little bit that way and bring the wire through. Make sure you get enough relief so it won't bunch up. Then you have to sand that off, straighten that up. I don't want any extra work. For me, this is fun if it all goes as planned. I don't want to do a bunch of work. That's why I use the epoxy that I do. It's because it just measures it for you. You won't have an issue. Alright. You see, the pan's getting warm. That means I gotta hurry up. If I can get it spread out, it slows the curing down. Just gotta keep moving. Gotta keep moving. Now would be a good time to play some music. Alexa, play some Dua Lipa. Alexa, play Sons of Legion. Alexa, play Jelly Roll. You know, something like that. And I'm gonna have to make some more resin pretty quickly. Try not to stretch it. Try not to stretch the cloth. Because it'll mess up your results. Looks like we're gonna have to make another cup. And I'll have enough time to get another cup made and get it on here before it starts curing. turn the camera off and go make me some resin and come back and finish this up. It's just more rolling. I'm surprised this one ran out. There's 17 pumps in that cup. All right, I'll check you later.